Did you know there is one simple food that can work 10 times better than bananas to calm the bladder and stop nighttime urination? Most seniors are surprised when they hear this, because bananas are often praised as the number one evening fruit. Yet new research shows there is something far more powerful. Doctors are quietly shocked by how effective it can be. And once you understand why, you will never look at your dinner plate the same way again. For many older adults, waking up 2 or 3 times each night has become a quiet routine. You lie down feeling tired only to find yourself walking to the bathroom again before your body has truly rested. This broken sleep slowly drains your energy, increases strain on the heart, and even weakens memory over time. Some seniors describe mornings where even a strong cup of coffee no longer brings the same clarity it once did. Others admit they feel anxious at bedtime, knowing the night ahead will be restless. Today, I'm going to show you how a simple change in diet can transform your nights. There is one food in particular that works 10 times better than bananas to calm the bladder and allow deep, restorative sleep. When you understand how it works and how to use it correctly, you may finally enjoy a full night of rest without interruption. Before we begin, I would love to hear from you. Where are you watching this video, and what time of day is it right now? Please share your answer in the comments below. As the body moves past middle age, one of the quiet changes happening inside is a steady decline in a hormone called vasopressin. This hormone tells the kidneys to slow down urine production while we sleep, allowing the bladder to stay calm through the night. After 55, the signal grows weaker, and the kidneys keep filtering fluids at the same pace as they do during the day. That means more urine is created even when the body needs rest, forcing many older adults to wake up 2 or 3 times each night. This constant interruption is not only tiring, it slowly drains the energy needed for memory, mood, and heart health. Another change comes from the bladder itself, which becomes more sensitive with age. In younger days, the bladder could comfortably hold 12 to 16 ounces before sending an urgent signal to the brain. After 60, it may trigger the urge when it is only half full. Sometimes with just a few ounces inside, the nerves that once waited patiently begin to react more quickly, and the brain interprets even a small pressure as a strong demand to get up. Seniors often describe lying down peacefully, only to be pulled out of rest by an urge that feels impossible to ignore. Diet also plays a quiet but powerful role in this cycle. Drinks and foods that seem harmless in the evening can quietly irritate the bladder or increase fluid load. Coffee, tea, or even a cup of hot chocolate adds caffeine, which stimulates urine production. Citrus fruits, tomatoes, and spicy foods can make the bladder lining more sensitive. Even watery foods like soup or watermelon, if eaten late, increase the volume of fluid waiting to be filtered. What feels like comfort food at night can become the very reason sleep feels broken and shallow. These habits appear across cultures. Whether it is a cup of warm tea after dinner or a glass of orange juice in the evening, both bring warmth and comfort, yet both quietly send the bladder into overdrive at the wrong time of day. For seniors, the result is the same: disturbed sleep, tired mornings, and a sense that rest is no longer in their control. The hopeful news is that small adjustments, like moving these foods earlier in the day and sipping only small amounts of water after sunset, can help restore balance. You may not stop aging, but you can still guide your body gently toward nights of deeper, more peaceful sleep. For many years, bananas have been celebrated as the go-to evening fruit for seniors hoping to sleep more soundly. They contain potassium and magnesium, two minerals that relax the muscles and help steady the heartbeat. These same nutrients gently calm the nervous system, giving the brain a chance to ease into rest. A ripe banana also carries natural carbohydrates that encourage the release of serotonin, the mood chemical that later converts into melatonin. Melatonin is the very hormone that tells the body it is time for sleep. Yet, despite all these benefits, many older adults still find themselves waking up at midnight or 2 in the morning, walking carefully in the dark to the bathroom. Bananas help, but they do not always go far enough. For some, they provide only a short window of calm before the bladder calls again. Here's where the surprising food enters the story. Nutritionists have turned their attention to pumpkin seeds, sometimes called pepitas, which are small, green, and packed with more power than their size suggests. These seeds contain tryptophan and amino acids that the body converts into serotonin and then melatonin, much like bananas, but at a higher concentration. They also deliver magnesium in higher amounts, calming both muscles and bladder walls, so they spasm less during the night. Zinc is another key nutrient inside these seeds, and it helps regulate how effectively tryptophan is transformed into sleep-supporting hormones. Together, these compounds create a natural toolkit for deeper sleep and steadier bladder control. For seniors who often feel their bodies are working against them, this knowledge can be both surprising and encouraging. Recent studies in sleep medicine have tested pumpkin seeds among older adults who reported waking too. Seniors often feel their bladder is too small as they age, but in reality, the issue is sensitivity. By reducing irritation, pumpkin seeds help the bladder wait longer before sending urgent signals. That means fewer false alarms and more hours of peaceful sleep. Another powerful effect is on the muscles themselves. Many older adults complain of cramps, restless legs, or sudden tension in the calves after midnight. These spasms wake the body and make returning to rest difficult. The magnesium inside pumpkin seeds relaxes muscle fibers, eases tension, and lowers the chance of nighttime cramps. Seniors who once stretched their legs restlessly for hours describe feeling the muscles soften and their breathing slow after adding this food. In a quiet way, it gives the body permission to let go of stress and finally relax into deep rest. A 70-year-old in Florida sprinkled pumpkin seeds over her oatmeal for 1 week and noticed she was waking only once per night instead of 3 times. A retired clerk who added them to his evening soup reported that for the first time in years, he slept 5 continuous hours. These are not miracles, but gentle shifts showing that even small changes can return control to older adults who feel helpless against aging. One of the first concerns older adults raise is whether it is truly safe to eat pumpkin seeds every day. Many worry about overdoing a good thing, especially when they already take medicines for blood pressure or cholesterol. The encouraging news is that moderate amounts, such as a small handful each evening, are considered safe for most seniors. Doctors usually remind patients that balance is the key. Treat the seeds as part of a healthy diet, not as a replacement for meals or prescribed care. Another question often comes from people living with diabetes or high blood pressure who already carry the burden of constant monitoring. Can they also benefit from this food without making their conditions worse? The answer is usually yes, as long as it is done mindfully. Pumpkin seeds contain protein, healthy fats, and minerals that support the heart and help stabilize blood sugar rather than cause sharp spikes. For a diabetic senior, this means they can sprinkle a small serving over dinner or a light snack without fear. We have reached the end of this journey, and the message could not be clearer. There is a simple food often overlooked that works 10 times better than bananas when it comes to calming the bladder and restoring deep, restful sleep. Science confirms it. Real-life stories prove it. And older adults are already seeing the difference. This food does not promise miracles overnight, but it does offer a steady, gentle way to reduce nighttime urination and finally enjoy longer hours of rest. For anyone who has accepted broken nights as a normal part of aging, it is time to see that there is still another option. So here's my gentle challenge for you. Try this simple change for just 7 days and notice how your nights begin to shift. Keep track of your sleep, share your results in the comments, and let others know they are not alone. If this message has helped you, please like and subscribe to Golden Rest Guide so you never miss another tip designed for seniors like you. And if you feel ready for change, type the word HOPE below. That one word may inspire someone else just as it may mark the beginning of your own better nights. Because rest is not lost with age, it can still be reclaimed one small choice at a time.